Morning guys, I just realised I've never really done a video on the Patty indicator. The Patty indicator, it draws your weekly, your monthly and quarterly levels, where price opened at that level. So we're going to use EG, just because it's just like a random pair that I've been monitoring. It did very, very well, fundamentally because it was driven by central bank rhetoric. The ECB were hawkish, the BOE were quite dovish, so we had a big move on the back of that. Now, however, looking at a naked chart, you don't really know if we're bullish or bearish, technically. Sentimentally, we know that it's a buy because the retail guys have shorted it on its way up. But what is frustrating is that they did get paid a little bit, quite a bit actually. So how do we know, technically if it's going to be a buy or a sell? Well, we can look at your weekly, monthly, quarterly, yearly open, and if we're above all of those, then technically we're a buy. So we go to assuming that you've got the indicator. If you don't know where to put them, it's file, data folder, MQL4 indicators. Just put the Patty indicator in here. There. Just put it in there. Dead simple. And then we're going to attach to chart, custom, Patty. Keep the default values. It will draw vertical lines by default. That just gives you a crosshair, so you can determine the open level more easily. You can take that off if you don't like the vertical line. So how is EG looking? Well, there's your weekly open. So we did a big rally. There's your yearly open. There's your monthly, quarterly open. So technically we're good because we're above all four. Now let's have a look, maybe for extra confluence, for more confidence, insert indicator, custom, Wyatt's pivots, do your monthly, and then just keep those default values. There's April's pivot there. So we're above that, we're above that, we're above that, and that, and that. So do keep an eye on 84.19. It could be a good risk to reward if you went long. We'll stop there. It's like 6 pips, and we should probably continue higher. But obviously you'd want to keep an eye on your pound as well. The pound, is it bearish or bullish? You'd have to decide by using the Patty indicator. I could probably show you. Let's get that safe template. We'll just call it Patty, nice and clean or something. Let's look at GU. Market watch GU. Let's find that. And then just load indicator. See how we're looking. Patty, clean. Alright, so GU, monthly, quarterly open, weekly open, yearly open. So it's bearish. So it does point to upside for EG, looking at GU. And that level of interest is 131.42. Alright, so maybe it might be useful. If you want to know if something's a buy or a sell, technically the Patty indicator is a great indicator to use, and hopefully it helps.